Hey guys, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to play Afterglow by Ed Sheeran. This is his newest song, and today we're going to be learning it. First things first, you guys want to make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, which is going to be E, A, D, G, B, and E. And if you don't know what that sounds like, it sounds like this. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, grab your capo and put it onto the 4th fret. Now your guitar should sound like this. Let's get on to the strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern here is just 8 down strums and then 1 up strums, which is going to sound something like this. You're going to want to make sure you put an accent on the 1st, 3rd, and 6th strum of each strumming pattern to make it sound like the actual song. So the chords that you'll need for this song is G, C sus 2, D sus 4, and E minor 7, which is going to sound like this. Okay, so the verse is going to be 2 G chords, 2 C sus 2 chords, 1 D sus 4, 1 E minor 7, and 2 C sus 2, which is going to sound like this. Okay, now we're going to learn the chorus. So the chorus is going to be 2 C sus 2s, 1 G, and then 1 D sus 4. You're going to want to do that 5 times, and then you'll move on to 2 C sus 2s and then 2 Gs. It's going to sound something like this. Okay, quick tip, if you guys want to make it sound just like the original, you want to use your fingers instead of an actual pick. Now that we learned everything we need to know, let's get on to the actual song.